Yeah, good evening guys. I just noticed that, hey guys, we did very well on UK Fortnite and Betway. So let us do this, guys. Let us do Mega Million. At least today, guys, we are lucky. Someone just reminded me on the comment that, coach, please, you need Mega Million. Okay, it's been a while we're not playing Mega Million. Okay, cool. What we're going to do here, we're going to do this, guys. Did you see UK Fortnite? I said banker is 15, it came. I said the banker again was 20, it came on Betway. So that was perfect. But we'll see if I can do tea time. But I just wanted to put Mega Million because I know there are some people who are doing Mega Million also as well, because it pays 2 numbers with 1 rand. No, I mean like 2 numbers. If you play with 5 rand, that's 1,000 rand. If you play 3 numbers with 5 rand, that's something else. Mega Million 4 numbers is 100k. You'll be good like for January. You don't have to stress yourself. So this is what we do in Mega Million. You use these 4 numbers there and we add them. Okay, so I'm gonna say 41 plus 64 plus 39 plus 59. That definitely is going to give us a 203, which is 20 plus 3 is 23, and then we make it 32. We subtract to get a 17. So these are the numbers that I've generated so far. Is 17, 20, 23 and 32. Okay, so after this, we're not yet done. We're going to multiply by 4 just to be sure of what we're doing. Actually, no, let's not multiply by 4. It's fine. Let's go to the calculator. We use previous bonus, this one. Remember, Mega Million is 5 numbers out of 70. So I'll show you what I mean. Let's go to 21 and go to our calculator. So what we do here, we go to the formula for 1. We say 1 plus 11 plus 21 plus 31 plus 41 plus 51 plus 61. We can't go to 71 because it's only 70 numbers. So now our codes, we have got 2 codes, which is 203 and then 217. So now we know that our banker is what? Is 17. So this is what we're going to do. Is 17, 23, 21. Let me see. What am I doing now? Okay, there's also 27 there. We mustn't miss that 27, because if there's a 0, which means 23 is a good number. So this number 17, 23 or 17, sorry guys, 17, 32. Put it that way. So let me do the pairing for you guys, because this is easy. Because if we say 2 plus 17, it gives us a 19. 2 minus 17, it gives us a 15. So there's this other number that you must watch. If you see a 15 coming and a 21, which means 19 is coming. So I'm going to say 17, 19, 17, 23, 17, 20, and then 17, 19, 17, 27, because this is what it is. Or 20, because 21 is dropped, so we can also say 217, and then there we can also say 20 and 3. Trust me guys, if you play this tonight, tomorrow morning you're going to make shopping, because this is Mega Million. I know people, they always want Mega Million. The reason why I wasn't posting, because I see a few people watching Mega Million, so I thought, like, you know what, let me not post. I only post when people they watch, because when you watch, you give me that thing of like, okay coach, we are there. It's like teaching kids in the class. If they're not concentrating, you don't teach. That's why some teachers, they end up going outside, getting on his phone. Why? It's not because he doesn't want to work or he doesn't want to teach, but because people are not concentrating. Even at church, if the pastor is preaching and then people are sleeping, you're just gonna turn off his microphone. Understand? So this is how it goes. Thank you very much guys. I'll see you on the next one. Like this, yeah.